They are from Benin. I don't know that. Look at Ikwerre. Look at their name. Look at Ikwerre. Look at me. Look at you. Look at this our face. This lion face we have. Some people, somebody like you can maybe blame. Although I don't blame many of them. You know, everybody. Their mother always tell you who is their father. I don't see some of these people. I don't take them serious. Maybe their mother.
You say you from where again?
I'm from Ikwerre. I'm from local government, from Rumuji.
Okay, Rumuji. Okay. Welcome, brother. Welcome, when mother.
If you are going to Rome, before Rome,
okay. I know Rumuji. I know Rumuji.
Okay, yeah, okay, that's my village. That's my. You see some of them, they speak Igbo similar. Even in Ikwerre, we have different dialects. People not just one dialect like this Ikwerre language. No, we have different. Even Rumuji, if you come to Rumuji, we have 5 villages natives for them. But we speak these 5 people. They have 5 brothers speak different language, different dialects. Like snake. If you call snake, this woman what people call it Dago. But what would you call it?
Eriri.
Eriri. It's that we understand. How can you, my brother, you see, once you are trying to know this work was sometimes I blame on Ghanaian people. I think after the war, they started sanitize our people because you can't blame them. Nigerian government will damage Igbo race.
Exactly.
To damage Igbo. Even right now, you are trying to thank God that social media is down now. You are trying to educate, telling our people who you are. I appreciate you a lot.
Thank you. Whenever do.
I appreciate you. I think that somebody like you are a good sender to sanitize, to tell our people you are moving village to village. You receive some pressure. I see some of you all these useless people protecting you. All this bunch of idiots. Some of them. But the thing that I didn't buy for this amazing deal, which your book was my candidate. I don't know why things went like this.
It's for the good. Well, one thing I would say is, and that is why we are not stopping. We are not going to stop this sensitization. We are not going to stop this unification, because people like you are from Emoha. People like you have received a lot of calls from people like you. I've received countless of calls from people that knows who they are, that understands where they are coming from. So with people like you, your voices is what is fueling us, because we know that we will continue speaking until voices will arise, until many more people like you, many more, because I know that the majority of people who knows that they are Igbo are more, but it's just that they have a silent voice. I don't know if it is due to fear of politics. The same, like they are hiding in their trenches, like during the war. But all I'm asking you people to do is come out from your trenches. The war is over. Let us embrace who we are. Let us be one people and proceed. Do what is necessary. Yeah.
God have given us this lion face. We are in Africa here, we are lions. If you see an Igbo man on the street, he's a lion.
Exactly.
He's a lion, we are. I don't know. Because he's doing a great job for this our side now, for this our day. I look at myself like, how can Ikwerre man say that he's not Igbo for Christ's sake? It's a shame. It's a shame. If they are the same name, the same culture, the same lion face we have, everything. You can't see an Igbo man, see Ikwerre man, they different. No. The way we behave, the way we do things, the way we present in public, we are quite different. There an elder is telling lies, deceiving youths. No, it cannot happen anymore. You can't take it anymore.
All right. That is very important.
Right. I'm trying to add your WhatsApp here, but it's not going. It's not speaking.
No, the number. Use the number. The number you are calling with is a WhatsApp number.
Okay.
It's a WhatsApp number.
I will, as soon as I get you for WhatsApp, maybe time to time, I know how, even if I let it